What's up guys, and welcome to your guide to website. So today I'm going to show you quickly how to download WordPress themes. Obviously it's going to be really quickly, so just go to themeforest.net. So what is ThemeForest? ThemeForest is the place to be if you want to build a WordPress website, or let's say Magento for really big e-commerces, or Shopify, which is also really good. But I'm going to talk about WordPress because WordPress is really awesome. So if if you're just an entrepreneur, you want a quick website, or you're a developer, but you want to buy a theme which is already pre-made, then you just come here to themeforest.net, and you can find here the really coolest themes built by big companies. You can just download them, and yeah, you can use them immediately. So in this case, we're gonna go for WordPress, and I always click on the popular items, and here you're gonna see the most popular WordPress themes. You're gonna see how many times they're sold. This is like 16,000 times, 700, 500, these are the most popular themes, which means, guys, if they're sold so many times, that means that they're really good. They have no to little bugs. Most of them have no bugs. They're really easy to edit, and they have really good demos. What are demos? I'm going to show you in a minute. But yeah, so you can just go to themeforest.net and check out all these themes. For example, I have made some websites for my customers with this theme. And this really easy, guys. You just buy this theme for like $40 now. Oh no, it's because I already bought it, it says this, but I think it's $60. And you can check out the theme. It's really good. You can download it and just sell it immediately to your customers for like $700 or $1,000. You just gotta make up the website a little bit, and it's good money. So if you want to check out the theme, just click on live preview, and it brings you to the preview page of the WordPress theme. Here you have some demos. Here you have some more demos. Demos are really cool. It's like the company who made this theme has also made some demos for you. What are demos? It's like a pre-made website with pre-made layout for the navigation, page layout. They have like designed this blog thingy, so you can check all this out. And if you like this, you can just buy the theme and use this demo immediately. So you have like a pre-made website without doing anything. And guys, WordPress, you don't have to be a developer. You just gotta watch some of my tutorials, and you can learn this in like one day, I think. So this is one theme. You can check out their other teams, of course. Let's go back. Yeah, so let's check out another theme. And this theme is called Enfold, if you like it. Here's a one-page agency theme. Look, this one looks different. It's the same theme, but it's a demo, So if you like this one, you can obviously use it also immediately. All these WordPress themes have really cool effects. And they have everything like good SEO, social sharing, whatever you want. And they're obviously really dynamic. And they're also for mobile. So if I just resize the screen, you're gonna see this is how it looks on tablet, this is how it looks on mobile. So it's really responsive for every kind of device, and it's pre-made. You don't have to do anything. So yeah, guys, that is WordPress, how to get WordPress themes. It's really awesome. You can check out some more themes. If you want to know my favorites, let them know in the comments, and I'm gonna tell you which one are the best. And yeah, guys, see you next time. Thanks for watching.